sa word na worship. So sabi, as Christ believers, we are called by God to worship Him. Give Him adoration and reverence every day. It is one of God's purpose why He created us, meaning we are made to worship Him. So bilang mananampalataya, tayo ay hindi lamang tinawag, kundi tayo ay ginawa ng Diyos para sumamba. So we are made to worship the Lord. We are not just called, but we are made to worship Him, to worship the Lord. So nabuhay tayo para sambahin ang Panginoon. For what? Bakit kailangan natin sambahin ang Diyos? For what? To glorify Him. And tandaan po natin lagi na ang main purpose kung bakit tayo nilikha ng Diyos, kung bakit tayo nag-exist sa mundo, is to glorify Him. But we cannot, dili kita makaglorify sa Lord, dili natin siya makagawa sa luwalhati, kung dili kita sumamba sa iya. Did you get me, mga kapatid? We cannot glorify God if we do not worship Him. Pag naintindihan po natin ini siya, ang tanan na bagay na nilihimo natin sa mundo, ginasabi natin, Lord, this is for you, kang amin na ako pagsamba sa imo. And diba sabi ni Lord sa word niya, in everything you do, do it all for the glory